very good morning to all my dear students. Today in the science we'll be starting a new lesson, that is lesson. All of you will open your textbooks on page number 80 and lesson number 8. Write today's date in classwork 6/1/2021 and classwork. Name of the lesson is Wind, Storms and Cyclone. In the last lesson, that is your lesson number 7, we studied about the climate, the weather and the adaptation of the animals living in those climatic conditions, about the flora and fauna of the tropical forests and the different type of wet and hot and wet climate and different type of climates we studied about. Now today we'll be studying about the wind, storms and cyclones that always happen. Normally the winds and storms we see during the monsoon, lot of storm comes during the monsoon, but nowadays the cyclones have become very common, and especially in the western countries like America, जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा cyclones आते हैं. Every now and then the cyclones are coming. So what is the reason of the cyclones, how these cyclones develop, and what is the effect or the that leaves behind after the cyclone is gone. So wind, storm and cyclone is the head topic. Now you can see here, this picture is given here. This is the image that is taken. Image is taken by a satellite of a cyclone approaching in the coast of Orissa. You know, Orissa is a very prone to Orissa hai, then Andhra Pradesh hai. There are certain belts of the coastal areas which are very prone to the cyclones. That means a lot of times the cyclones comes in and mostly once in a year there's always a cyclone in these areas. Now you can see this is a picture taken by the satellite which shows that the cyclone is moving towards the coast of the Orissa. That means towards the state of Orissa, the cyclone is moving. You can see those dense clouds. These dense clouds, that the density of the cloud itself can be seen here, which shows that there will be lot of rainfall. A cyclone is always followed with the heavy rainfalls, and which causes flood and lot of damage. Now this picture is given by the meteorological department, which forecasts the weather. As we have studied in the earlier lesson that it is the meteorological department who tells about the temperatures also, या weather का जो हमारा predictions hota hai, that prediction comes from the meteorological department only. Now I'm not going to explain this is nothing but about the cyclones that had come during the in the year of 1999, when it very devastating cyclone came in the coast of Orissa. Now we'll start with the activity 9.1, air exerts pressure. But before that, there's a small line that we need to remember, that we all have been studying from the earlier classes, that moving air is called wind. What is the wind? Wind is the moving air. Now air has pressure. The first quality of the air, that it can exert pressure also. Whenever an activity involves heating, be very careful. It is advised that such activities are performed in the presence of elderly person from your family, or carry out these activities in presence of your teacher. So whenever you do certain activities, it is also always advisable that you do the activities under the guidance of some elders. You need to boil water in the activity. So first of all, air now in this activity, you can see this is the picture of the activity where you need to boil the water. So such activities you do under the guidance of some elders. Now take a tin can with a lid, fill it approximately half with water, heat the can on a candle flame till the water boils. Let the water boil for few minutes, blow out the candle immediately, then put the lid tightly on the can. Be careful in handling the hot can. Put the can carefully in a shallow metallic vessel or a basin. Wash basin, pour fresh water over the can. What happens to the shape of the can? Can you guess why the shape of the can gets distorted? If you cannot, take a tin and take a plastic bottle, fill it with hot water, empty the bottle, and immediately cap it tightly. Place the water under running water. Recall some of your experiences when you fly a kite. Does the wind coming back, wind coming from your back help? If you are in a boat, it is easier to row if there is a wind coming from behind you. Do you find it difficult to ride a bicycle against the direction of the wind? Now these are some of the examples that are given, that air exerts the pressure. Now first example is that when you boil the water in a can, एक टिन का कैन लीजिए and boil the water in the can, and after boiling the water keep the water boiling for few minutes so that it boils very properly, and then place a lid on it, and then carefully take that lid, and then you put this uh, can under the in a wash basin and pour the cold water. Then you will see that the shape of the uh, कैन हैज़ टोटली डिस्टॉर्टेड, मतलब कि जो टिन ऐसा था वो अभी ऐसा लगने लगेगा। उसका रीज़न क्या है कि जो प्रेशर अंदर से एक्सर्ट होगा, ये प्रेशर जो लीड लगने की वजह से जो स्टीम का प्रेशर बाहर नहीं जा सकता, वो अंदर अंदर उसकी वजह से ये ऐसा हो जाता है। अगर आप साइकिल चला रहे हैं और अगर विंड के ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में साइकिल चलाते हैं, तो इज़ इट पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू राइड द साइकिल ईजिली? नो, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। इफ़ यू आर फ्लाइंग अ काइट, is it possible that you fly the kite opposite to the direction of the wind? So that is also not possible. So ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स ऐसे प्रूफ होता है। और साइकिल का एग्जाम्पल इतना कॉमन है कि नॉर्मली यू पीपल ऑलवेज चिल्ड्रन राइड द साइकिल, एंड इफ यू आर राइडिंग अगेंस्ट द विंड यू नीड टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर एनर्जी टू राइड अ साइकिल। दैट मीन्स विंड जो है एक फोर्स लगा रही है, आपको पीछे की तरफ खींच रही है और आप आगे की तरफ जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो दैट मीन्स बोथ द फोर्सेज आर एक्टिंग ऑपोजिट, तो आपको ज़्यादा एनर्जी यूज़ करनी पड़ेगी उसके अगेंस्ट जाने के लिए। Do you know when we fill the balloon into the fill air into the bicycle tube, it keep it tight. Also, you know that the bicycle tube overfilled with air may burst. What is the air doing inside the tube? So if you all fill the air in the bicycle ट्यूब, नाउ व्हेन इट इज़ ओवरफिल्ड, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हवा भर जाती है साइकिल के टायर में तो कभी कभी टायर फट जाता है। तो क्या होता है कि वो एयर जो इतना एक्सेस हो जाता है, उसका प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है कि उससे वो टायर फट जाता है। नॉर्मली व्हेन यू सी इन द कार्स वी ऑलवेज चेक द बसेस, कार्स, अगर ट्रक्स होते हैं उनके टायर्स के प्रेशर चेक किए जाते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ द प्रेशर इनसाइड ऑफ द एयर इनसाइड द टायर। दिस इज द रीज़न, इफ द प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस द टायर विल burst. So we always check the tire. So air exerts a lot of pressure air has inside it. Discuss with your friends and how the air in the bicycle tube keeps its shape. Also, all these experiences show that the air exerts pressure. It is due to this pressure that the leaves of the trees, banners of flags flutters when the wind is blowing. Now, ऑल दीज एक्सपीरियंसेस शोज दैट एयर एक्सर्ट्स अ प्रेशर, कि हमको ये पता लगता है कि एयर जो है एक प्रेशर एक रिलीज करता है। नाउ ड्यू टू दिस प्रेशर ओनली द लीव्स ऑफ द ट्रीज फॉल। बहुत जब पेड़ों के पत्ते गिरते हैं या बैनर्स होते हैं या फ्लैग्स फ्लटर करते हैं, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द विंड दैट इज ब्लोइंग। You can list some more experiences which shows that the air has pressure. Let us now try to explain why the can or the bottle gets distorted as the water is poured over the can. Some steam in the can condenses into the water, reducing the amount of air inside. The pressure of the air inside the can decreases and the pressure exerted by the air from outside the can. As a result, the can gets compressed. Now here the reason is given why the can is get compressed, because of the pressure of the air changes inside the can, and the one that we get out, that the can gets outside the from outside. Now what is, as the water is poured over the can, some steam in the can condenses into the water because the lid is completely tight. So the steam, after some time the steam starts condensing, and once the steam starts condensing, what happens is uh, the amount of air inside, reducing the amount of air inside. So the air that is present inside, once it gets condensed, the amount of air reduces. The pressure of air inside the can decreases. Then the pressure exerted by the air from outside the can. अब जो can के अंदर जो air का pressure है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है compared to the pressure that the can is getting from outside. एज अ रिजल्ट द टिन गेट्स कंप्रेस्ड, और जो बाहर का प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है एयर का और अंदर का प्रेशर कम हो जाता है, इस वजह से ये टिन जो है वो कंप्रेस हो जाता है. दिस एक्टिविटी अगेन confirms that air exerts pressure, which shows that air exerts pressure. Your high speed wind accompanied by reduced air pressure. This is your activity 8.2, blowing into the bottle. Now crumple a small piece of paper into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of an empty bottle. Then hold the empty bottle on its side and place the paper ball just inside the mouth. Now try to blow on the ball into the to force into the bottle. Try the activity with bottles of different sizes. Challenge your friends if they can force the paper ball into by blowing it into the bottle. Now here there's a small activity given that which we have to prove that we have to take a small bottle of the small with a small opening. We have to take different bottles with of different size and उसमें openings भी अलग अलग होंगे. फिर उस openings के हिसाब से हमको छोटे छोटे पेपर के balls बनाने. We have to crumple the ball and make the small balls. Size of the ball should be smaller than the mouth of the bottle. Then what you have to do is hold the empty bottle on its side and place the paper ball just inside the mouth. Now you have to place the paper ball just here inside the mouth, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, and then you have to blow the ball force into the bottle. Now you have to blow the air inside the bottle in such a way that the ball goes inside the bottle. Now this you have to perform the activity with different size bottles and with the different size ball paper balls. Paheli and Bujo are thinking about the following questions. Why it is difficult to force the paper ball inside the bottle? तो हमको क्यों इतना प्रेशर लगाना पड़ता है कि पेपर का बॉल जो है वो बॉटल के अंदर डालने के लिए. Now, activity 8.3. Take two balloons of approximately equal size, put a little water into the balloons. Now activity 8.3 is blow the balloons. Take two balloons of approximately equal size, blow a little water into, put a little water into the balloons, blow up both the balloons and tie each one to a string. Hang the balloons 8 to 10 centimeters apart on a cycle spoke or a stick. Blow in the space between the balloons. What did you expect? What happens? Try different ways of blowing on the balloons and see what changes happens. Now the activity 8.3 says that take two balloons and put a little water into the balloons and then blow the balloons and tie it and hang the balloon on a stick or a cycle spike at 8 to 10 centimeters apart, keeping the distance, some distance between the balloons. Then between these two balloons you have to blow the air and then see what happens to these balloons. Now next is your activity 8.4. Can you blow and lift? Hold a string of paper 20 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide between your thumb and forefinger as shown in this figure. You have to take a strip which is 20 centimeters long and 3 centimeters wide. You have to hold this with your finger and thumb and then you have to blow it. Now blow over the paper. You have to blow the air over the paper. Now Paheli thinks that the strip will be lifted up. Bujo thinks that the strip will bend down. Now you have to think what happens, whether the string is going to lift up or it is going to bend down, that we have to see. Now we will see what happens in the activity 8.2, 8.3 and 8.4. First we'll discuss about the activity 8.2, blowing a small paper ball into the bottle. Where the observations along the lines you thought, do you get the feeling that the increased wind speed is accompanied by a reduced air pressure? Now what do you understood from these three experiments, that is there that the increased wind pressure is accompanied by the reduced air pressure. अगर विंड का जो स्पीड बढ़ेगी तो उसका जो प्रेशर है वो कम हो जाएगा. ऐसा साबित हो सकता है। When we blow into the mouth of the bottle, the air near the mouth has the higher speed, because when we are blowing, we are एक हम जोर से हवा करते हैं, मतलब स्पीड जो होती है, जो माउथ बॉटल के माउथ में जो हम हवा डालते हैं, एयर डालते हैं, वो स्पीड ज़्यादा होती है। दिस डिक्रीजेस द प्रेशर there. The air pressure inside the bottle is higher than near the mouth. Now the air which is inside the bottle has more pressure than the air near the mouth of the bottle. Bottle की जो mouth है वहाँ पे जो air pressure होता है कम होता है compared to the air pressure inside. और जो हम हवा डालते हैं उसकी speed ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए वो pressure होता है वहाँ पर कम हो जाता है। द एयर इनसाइड द बॉटल पुशेस द बॉल आउट। तो एयर का जो अंदर का जो एयर का वो प्रेशर ज़्यादा होता है, इसलिए वो जो है बॉल को बाहर की तरफ ट्राई करता है, और हम जो स्पीड से जो है वो बॉल को अंदर की तरफ डालने की कोशिश करते हैं। इस वजह से जो बॉटल का जो माउथ है, दिस पार्ट हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड एयर प्रेशर, यहाँ पर जो होता है एयर प्रेशर कम हो जाता है। यहाँ बॉटल के अंदर जो एयर प्रेशर ज़्यादा रहता है, पर इधर जो है एयर प्रेशर कम हो जाता है, क्योंकि हमारी जो स्पीड होती है जिससे हम ब्लो करते हैं वो ज़्यादा होती है। जैसे यहाँ से बॉटल के अंदर से जो हवा रहती है वो इस बॉल को बाहर की तरफ पुश करने की ट्राई करेगी, और हम अपने जो एयर ब्लो करेंगे उससे हम एयर को इस बॉल को अंदर की तरफ पुश करने का ट्राई करेंगे। Now in activity 8.3, you saw that when you blew between the balloons, they moved towards each other. How could this happen? Now in this activity of the balloons, when in between you blew the air, मतलब दोनों balloons के बीच में से अगर हम एयर ब्लो करेंगे तो दोनों बलून्स आपस में पास आएंगे। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? दिस कुड हैपन इफ द प्रेशर ऑफ एयर बिटवीन द बलून्स are somehow reduced. The pressure outside the balloon would then push them towards each other. अब ये क्यों होता है? इसका रीज़न क्या है कि if the pressure of the air between the balloons was somehow reduced, जो दो बलून्स हैं उनके बीच में जो एयर प्रेशर है अगर वो किसी तरह से रिड्यूस हो जाता है तो ये बलून्स जो है आपस में एक दूसरे के पास आएंगे। द प्रेशर आउटसाइड द बलून, जो बलून पे जो बाहर की तरफ से जो प्रेशर बलून पे लग रहा है वो दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ पुश करेगा। In activity 8.4, you saw that when you blew over the paper strip, it went upward, and again this could happen if blowing over the paper reduced the air pressure above the strip. ये upward movement हुआ पेपर स्ट्रिप का is just because of the reduced air pressure. So we see that increased wind speed is indeed accompanied by the reduced air pressure. So all the three experiments shows that if the speed of the wind is increased, that the air pressure is accompanied by a reduced air pressure. That means the pressure of the air gets reduced when the speed of the wind is increased.